Namaste everybody. So now let's learn today the pranayama, breathing. So the breathing is known as the control on the vital energy. So the vital energy, which is also known as the life source. And if you make proper breathe, this can help to release, reduce, cure all the nervous diseases, all the mental issues, mental problems. Whatever you say, stress, anxiety, insomnia, depression. So now let's do the Anulom Vilom. Anulom Vilom, known as the alternative breathing, and also is under the cleansing pranayama. So the cleansing breathe, which cleans our all the 72,000 nervous system or nadis. So that it's not a physical nadis, it's a nadis which known as the energetic nadis, 72,000 nadis. So now let's do it's a beginner to advanced level. So now see, first I will do inhale through the left, exhale through the left 12 times, the basic ratio. So now with the right hand you need to perform the gesture of the breathing, the pranayama mudra. So keep the shoulder wider and I will do the small ratio 6 and 6 times. So now here, so now see. So it was only 6 times, but ratio, when you follow the ratio, you can practice 6, 12, 18, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84 or more. So this way you should count. Now I will do with the right side, inhale through the right, and then always you see the gesture of the pranayama with the thumb, close your right and ring finger using with the left. So also you should do like this or like this. So now I will do with the right. It's doing the version 1 of the Anulom Vilom. So now see. So it was the version 1, inhale through the left, exhale through the left, inhale through the right, exhale through the right. So now let's change the leg. So changing the leg, you can do the Titli Asana. And now, so this time I will change. I will make my left heel touch the inner thigh, right bring it up, which is known as Siddhasana. So again, so now let's do, so whenever you practice, you perform your lungs open, chest open, diaphragm open, belly goes up, and stretch your spine up and neck stretch, and then you breathe. So now let's do the second version. Inhale through the left, exhale through the right, and inhale through the right, exhale through the left. So I will do the 6 and 6 times. So now see here. So it was the second version. Inhale through the left, exhale through the right. So again, to complete it, so I should do the same. Inhale through the right, exhale through the left to make the one round. So again here with the right hand gesture, and now you see. So deep, inhale through the right. So now this was the second version, Anulom Vilom, and one round was completed. So let's practice the third version of Anulom Vilom, or the alternative Pranayama, which also known as the regular Pranayama or Anulom Vilom alternative the regular. So again now here, so I will do again 6 rounds. So now inhale through the left, exhale through the right. So Anulom Vilom always start with the left nose. So now here again. So it was the one round. Inhale through the left, exhale through the right, inhale through the right, exhale through the left. So it's become the one round. So now I will do the another 5 rounds. So now here. Now for third round. Now for fourth round, inhale through the left. Fifth round. Sixth round. So now it was the third version of Anulom Vilom, the alternative pranayam, the alternative breathe, the Anulom Vilom pranayam. So it really help to clean your respiratory system, clean the 72,000 nadis, and it help to clean for whole body and provide lot of oxygen to your lungs and chest and diaphragm, and then this way oxygen move to your blood and then move to your whole body, and then you feel energized and full of the conscious